In this video, I'll demonstrate the working model of the sound recognition tool. The first step is to teach the songs to the tool. In this, I'm going to use the file location on the desktop for 5 different songs and play any song randomly and see if it recognizes the song or not. So I have copied the 5 different locations of 5 different songs. Now since the tool doesn't have a database, only the song ID is printed for now. So the ID is generated starting from 0. So the first song I teach has the song ID 0, the second one song ID 1, and the third one song ID 2, and so on. So I have already written the file locations and the song IDs for the songs I am going to teach in this demo on a notepad file. So the first URL is already there and I'll start teaching the song. I click on start. Now these are the different amplitude values in the time domain, and now the spectrogram will be generated. So this is the spectrogram, and now I'll copy the second URL. I'll copy it here and I'll teach the song. In a similar fashion, I'll be teaching all the 5 songs. Now the third song has been taught. Now I'm going to teach the fourth song. And now the fifth song. Now all the 5 songs have been taught. That is, the hash points of all these 5 songs are stored in a hash map. Now to demonstrate if it's working or not, I'll play any random song from these 5 and see if the song ID is matching or not. To check its accuracy, I'll play the song from middle. For example, in this demo, I'm going to play the song Skyfall from the middle of the song and check if it's going to match or not. So I'll click on start match first and I'll play the song.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10.
Now I have clicked on stop match and I have played the song hardly for 5 seconds, and now on clicking the match, the console should print song ID 3. Let's see if it's correct or not. So the best song ID is 3.